In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe fonts in Figma. If you want a font from Adobe Fonts to appear inside Figma, the process is actually very simple. The main idea is that you first activate the font through Adobe Creative Cloud, then make sure Figma in Chrome can detect the fonts installed on your computer, and finally apply that font inside your design file. To begin, open the Adobe Creative Cloud app and log in. Once you're inside, go to the Fonts section. If you prefer, you can also visit the Adobe Fonts website directly in your browser. From there, search for the font you want to use. When you find the correct one, click Activate. This is the important step that syncs the font to your system, which allows other apps on your computer, including Figma, to recognize it. If the font doesn't show up immediately, give it a few moments to finish syncing before moving on. Next, let's make sure everything is ready in Chrome for web-based use. Open Google Chrome, go to figma.com, and open your Figma file. In some cases, Figma may ask you to install the Figma font service. If you see that prompt, click Allow or Install. This is usually a one-time setup, and it enables Figma in your browser to access the local or system fonts installed on your computer. After the installation is complete, refresh the Figma tab. That refresh helps Figma rescan the fonts available on your system, including the Adobe font you just activated. Once that's done, you're ready to use the font in your design. Inside Figma, select the text tool so you can create or edit a text layer. Then open the font drop-down menu. Scroll until you reach the local or system fonts section, since that's where activated Adobe fonts typically appear. Use the search bar in the font list to quickly find the font you activated, then click it to apply it to your text. If you don't see the font right away, the most common fix is simply to wait a moment and refresh again. In some cases, closing and reopening the file can also help Figma detect newly activated fonts. But as long as the font is activated in Adobe Creative Cloud and the Figma font service is installed in Chrome, you should be able to use it normally. And that's it. Once everything is connected, using Adobe Fonts in Figma becomes a quick and seamless workflow.